Hello, all you lovely people out there. Today we have some little fun. My friend is opening up a shop and she asked if I would be interested in putting some photography in her shop. Which I said, yes, of course I am. But, sorry, I'm itching myself. I'm covered in mosquito bites. Most of my photography is humans, people. I like to tell stories. I like to capture moments. When I was in photography school in college, I didn't do well with the landscapes or the objects. Like I'm just not good at that. I went out one day and we did a lot of photography and they turned out okay, but it was nothing that I wanted to like blow up a print and put in somebody's shop and put my name on it. And so she and I sat down and we were talking, and I have a great idea, I hope. We're gonna do animal photography. And just, try to put these baby animals. We got goats and sheep and chicken here, and then she has some other animals on her farm. And so we're gonna put these little animals in some cute little poses. I've never done this before. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I think it might be cute. So I figured we'd film some behind the scenes of how we set up shots and things like that. So join us and let's see if animal photography is in the cards for us today. Got the food. It's time to get the animals.
Yep.
Let's do it! Y'all ready?
I think that was a pretty decent first try at an animal photo shoot. Not exactly the most cooperative models, but I think they did pretty good. I think we got some good stuff. A good place to start, some great ideas. I know we've got a lot of great spots to shoot out here. And this is just shooting stuff with our phones today. So, you know, I think it was pretty successful. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I thought we had a good time shooting it either way. So